think East Bengal is definitely playing well. If Mohun Bagan did not have this 2-3 signing, then match could have been very very interesting. But I'm still hoping Nishchay East Bengal ভালো করবে return derby. See, Mohun Bagan আমি নিশ্চয় হাওয়াজ সাথে কাজ করেছিল, and I know Havas really looks at the experience as well. And he's got that experience within the team. He always makes sure the player with experience, hard work, commitment, that is his main criteria. And he gets out of that and he gets the result also. So I think with East Bengal, that experience, especially with Indian players, অনেক lacking আছে. নিশ্চয়ই signings যে Indian players হয়েছিল, I think it's not been a great signing for East Bengal this year, because যে sign হয়েছিল, I think mostly sign হয়েছিল I-League জন্য. So suddenly last moment at ISL পেয়েছিল, so that signing has not been good. And again re-signing যে হয়েছিল আবার within ISL time, I don't think that quality also has been good. Apart from Subroto Paul যে signing হয়েছিল, I've not been able ওখানে কোনো প্লেয়ার এরকম দেখছে না কি অনেক ভালো সাইনিং হচ্ছে. ব্রাইট I think is outstanding. First season he's made a big impact, but I think if East Bengal ব্রাইটকে রিটেন করতে পারলে, I think he's going to be more effective next season. See, I think Roy Krishna is definitely way ahead right now because he's proven. Roy Krishna last season highest goal scorer, this year he's highest scorer. So it's very unfair to compare Bright and Roy Krishna. Let Bright stay one more year, let him start from the day one. Let East Bengal get proper pre-season korte dao East Bengal ke, proper signing gulo korte dao East Bengal ke. Then you can compare what it is. Because right now I think নিশ্চয় অনেক unfair থাকবে. নিশ্চয় Roy Krishna, I think you can't question ওর credibility, যে performance গুলো, highest scorer last season, this year again highest scorer, scoring goals মোহন বাগান জন্য. So it's very unfair, I would say. But I'm sure Bright 1-2 বছর থাকলে can definitely match Roy Krishna.